Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about table styles in Power BI. So we've already looked at the tablix visual and we have various styles which come inbuilt with Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to the file in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So I've got this tablix visual. I'll just put it into focus mode and you can see that it's just one style, and now I can change the style for the table by going to the Format tab. So with the visual selected, I click on the Format tab and I go to Style. And at the moment, this is default style. So I could have, I normally prefer minimal style, so I'll select that. You could probably go and maybe have flashy rows or experiment with alternating rows. Normally, what I tend to do is I just go with a minimal style, and that works for me, and then I add conditional formatting. So I hope you find this video useful, and in this video we covered the different table style options in Power BI. Do subscribe to my videos and to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.